Hi Simon, thanks very much for the email. Now I'm away at the moment, not in the workshop, as I'm travelling down to Barcelona to visit Gotac, which is a selector switch manufacturer. But you say you've got a Smeg DUSF6300X and the bottom oven's not working. In the email you also tell me that the display is not showing anything, and this is what I'm a little bit confused with. You haven't explained correctly here. If the timer is not illuminating, then this may be the fault, why the bottom oven is not working. Now I haven't got the schematics on your actual cooker, but some timers have one relay or two relays built into them. Now if the cooker has got no power, or the timer has failed, that relay would be in the open position, meaning no power would actually go through to the thermostatic system that controls the bottom oven. You may have a problem with one of three things. The timer itself may have failed. The selector switch may be damaged. A lot of people misuse selector switches, and it's not necessarily your fault. A lot of manufacturers do not print it in the manual correctly, that you should never ever turn the selector switch when the thermostat is actually on, because the load on the contacts can be too much and cause them to burn over a period of time. That's one problem. Also check the power going into the cooker on the junction box at the back of the cooker. There are multiple wires in that junction box which lead up to the top of the cooker, either to the timer or to the selector switch. Make sure that you've got 240 volt going up to the selector switch and timer. You can also do a voltage check on the timer. They'll normally find there is a live and a neutral going into the timer. Check you've got voltage. If you have got voltage, then it is your timer that may be at fault. Now when it comes to the oven not heating, you've got a fan assisted oven in the bottom oven, and that only consists of a fan motor and the element. You can do a multimeter test on the element to make sure that the element is good, and then of course you could use the reading, if you are reading it in ohms, to use the Ohm's law calculator to make sure that it is working correctly. Element in this cooker will be somewhere near 2000 watts, so use the Ohm's law calculator to be able to test the element. I've actually created you a link in the description on this video which will take you through to the web page that I've created for you. It's got some additional videos to assist you in diagnosing the problem, and secondly there's a link on there which you only have to click and it will take you through to a full list of parts. I'm away, as I said, at the moment. I'm going to be down in Barcelona in 5-6 days time visiting Gotac, which is one of the selector switch manufacturers which actually build selector switches for this type of cooker. So if you do need any further assistance whatsoever, feel free to contact us, but I am away working for the next month or so, so it does take me a while to get back to you with regards emails, so do bear with us. I hope this information that I created for you on the page is help to you. Thanks very much for contacting us.